Surrounded by overgrown grass and sprouting weeds, the construction of the building was hatched with the best intentions. It was aimed at easing pressure on the existing court in the township. Under construction since November 2013, it was meant to have been completed in 2015. Instead, the completion date was extended to 2018. And to date, the project is nowhere near completion. Residents have to travel long distances to the township's other court. Fikile Construction, which won the tender to build the court, has reportedly not been on site since 2014.
Construction yokuqala bathi ufikile ufailile bafaka imali bafaka enye imali kuleya court. Namhla kusamile asazi ukuthi kwenzekani la elokishini. Into esihluphayo ukuthi no akwehle abantu phezulu if kukhona abadlile imali phezulu ababoshwe ne-NPA mayisondele izosiza.
A classic case of justice delayed is justice denied.
The entire budget for all practical purposes has been blown on this derelict building, and the people of Mamelodi are no closer to having a magistrates court. This is nothing short of disgraceful. It's a complete and utter waste of taxpayers' money, and it should all be recouped from Fikile Construction. They have not produced a court building that can be used for anything at all. It is but a shell. The Department of Public Works fobs it off as a supply chain management issue, with the matter still being out for a bidding process. And at the end of 2022, we sit with the shell of a building that cost tens of millions of rand that is nowhere near completion.
Public Works Department says it's not aware of the construction mafia which initially disrupted the project. This following reports that the township's gang known as Boko Haram had demanded shares in the building of the court by presenting itself as members of the community. Officials say the delays were caused by interference, including strikes by community members and approved additional works.
The completion date was extended to November 2018 due to numerous strike actions by the community who wanted to be included in the construction project. There were also variation orders, which is basically additional work, that were requested by the client. We are not aware of contracts which are not within our area of management. We do not know the name of the construction mafia that initially disrupted construction at the Mamelodi Magistrates Court because they presented themselves as members of the community.
Nkunu says the department is in the process of appointing specialist contractors by the end of the month, another aspect which has contributed to recent further delays.
The original cost of building the court was 124 million rand, but this has escalated due to the delays mentioned above. The department expects to award the contract for specialist work by the end of this month at a cost of 23 million rand. The specialist work is for security, audiovisual, and IT infrastructure.
Nkunu says Fikile Construction is continuing as the main contractor on the project, and full work is expected to resume once the specialist contractor's appointment have been finalized. The Justice Department wouldn't comment, referring all questions to Public Works. Mulimone Moto, SABC News, Mamelodi.